Laser 200. The engine's great power, 76.
GP 76. 91-inch wingspan. 92.
Yeah, 91-inch wing. I don't know what it weighs.
It's AJ model.
I know, I'm a nervous wreck.
An AJ aircraft. Maiden flight.
Need some up down the road.
That's it right there. He going to the left. Straight out, I can't tell.
Trying to, but I'm trying to see what this thing's doing.
One more click to the right.
Looks like it's still climbing.
Yep, one down. I think I see the elevator moving. I think he's going up.
No, that's him.
I ain't pulling up.
Oh, it's still climbing then.
Give me one down.
One down.
Go 4 down. 4 down. Ah, that's it. Now you're going down too much. All right, go ahead, pull up a little bit. Yeah, get straight, get straight. Yeah, I think that's what it is. You went down on the throttle too much. One click, give it one click up. I think you need some left rudder. Is it? Okay.
Not too touchy. It's about like what I want.
You need any expo? Did you have any expo?
I got whatever I had in the S box.
One more or less. Same.
She asked me to go, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Plane, Dave.
I know, but
It's more fun, it was scary. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Slightly crosswind, according to the signs. 59 seconds.
see what a low pass looks like.
When you turn downwind, need low power.
Especially that low.
Yeah, because right now, if you're turning left, you're going downwind. Okay.
Should be coming in the right way,
Yeah.
but
Perfect idle day. Beautiful. Beautiful. You just did the same thing last time. Did it come down too high?
Too high.
You have to go around it.
probably will.
Speed up. Just above the tree line. Just above the tree line, it's too high. Let it come down. There you go. Beautiful. Come on. Beautiful. Perfect. Great. Come on, a little more. Beautiful. Now slide in. Slide in. Beautiful. Perfect. Step right in. Beautiful. Okay, pull up elevator. Turn, pull up elevator. Wiggle the tail. Wiggle the tail. Wiggle the tail.
Trying to slow it down.
Yeah. Good. Come on, get on the grass. 1 or 2. Idle down and go.